Welcome to Liberty Park Music. I'm Huang, your piano instructor. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at one of Chopin's Mazurkas, Opus 33, number 3. This mazurka can be considered a kwiatek. It's fairly slow, and as Chopin indicated in the score, is to be played with simplicity. The piece is in ternary form, with a clear A, B, and the return of A section, with an unusual key change from C major in the A section. To A flat major in the B section. As in most other mazurkas, there is quite a bit of repetition, in addition to the repeated sign. The main theme is repeated in measure 9, measure 33, and again in measure 41. There is also a repetition of rhythmic patterns. You can see some kind of variations on the mazurka rhythms all throughout this piece. The dada rhythms. Two eighth notes followed by two quarter notes. These two types of rhythmic patterns are repeated over and over in the piece. You will also find various accents indicated by Chopin. In this mazurka, most of the time the second B gets the accent. Occasionally, the third beat and the first beat get the accents. In other places with no accents, play as long of a line as possible. Compared to the traditional Polish mazurek, Chopin is very harmonically innovative in his mazurkas. The piece begins in C major and then continues to oscillate back and forth between C and G. The tonic and dominant of C major. Then it modulates briefly to A major. Before returning to G. goes through D minor 7 briefly. Before again returning to G and cadence in tonic. Using the note C, the common note between C major and A flat major, Chopin seamlessly modulates to a new key that is not typical of a harmony change for a B section that we would see in an earlier period repertoire. This B section is entirely in the key of A flat, just like the A section oscillates back and forth between the tonic and the dominant. At the return of the A section, Chopin simply goes down by a half step. And we're right back to the dominant G of the original key of C major.